Welcome back to Travel Clash. Dreaming of Japan but think it's too expensive? Think again. Today we're breaking down exactly how to explore Japan for under $50 a day without missing out on the magic. Get ready for mouth-watering street food, unique accommodations, and incredible sights, all without breaking the bank. We'll be diving deep into budget hacks for accommodation, food, and transport, plus sharing some of our favorite free and cheap activities across Japan. Before we start, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a budget-friendly adventure. Now let's get into it. First up, let's talk about where to rest your head without emptying your wallet. Forget fancy hotels. Japan is a haven for budget travelers, especially if you're open to unique experiences. Capsule hotels are a classic for a reason. They're futuristic, fun, and seriously affordable, often around $10 to $15 a night. One of my favorites is 9 Hours Kyoto. They've absolutely nailed the capsule concept with modern, comfortable pods and spotless facilities. Plus, the central location is unbeatable. Another option is exploring Japan's awesome hostel scene. Unplanned Kagurazaka in Tokyo is a gem, offering stylish dorms and private rooms starting from just $15. Remember, booking in advance is always a good idea, especially during peak season. But for those spontaneous trips, Agoda is your best friend for last-minute deals. Don't be afraid to refresh the app regularly. You never know what amazing discounts you might find. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the food. Now you might think eating cheap in Japan means surviving on instant noodles, but trust me, there's a whole world of delicious and affordable eats out there. First up, conveyor belt sushi. It's a fun, interactive experience, and you can easily have a filling meal for under $10. Kura Sushi is a popular chain with locations all over Japan. They even have a prize system for every 5 plates you finish. Next, your local 7-Eleven is your budget best friend. Don't underestimate the quality and variety of their onigiri, or rice balls, and bento boxes. They're fresh, flavorful, and super convenient, all for just a couple of dollars. And of course, no trip to Japan is complete without a steaming bowl of ramen. For an affordable luxury experience, head to Ichiran Ramen. They're famous for their customizable bowls where you can choose your broth, spice level, and toppings. It's pure ramen heaven. Chapter 3. Transportation: conquer Japan without going broke. Getting around Japan affordably is easier than you think. While the Japan Rail Pass is fantastic for long distances, it can be pricey. If you're focusing on specific regions, regional passes like the Kansai Through Pass offer incredible value. Kyoto, with its flat terrain and bike-friendly streets, is perfect for exploring on 2 wheels. You can rent a bike for around 500 yen a day, which is less than $5. It's a fantastic way to see the city at your own pace and discover hidden gems. And don't underestimate the power of walking. Many Japanese cities are incredibly walkable, especially smaller towns. Embrace the opportunity to wander, soak in the atmosphere, and discover hidden alleys and local shops. Finally, utilize the local bus network. They're significantly cheaper than trains, especially for shorter distances, and offer a glimpse into everyday Japanese life. Chapter 4. Free and cheap activities, budget-friendly fun. Now for the best part, experiencing Japan's magic without spending a fortune. First up, immerse yourself in the country's rich culture and history by visiting its stunning temples and shrines. Many, like the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto, are completely free to enter. Next, dive headfirst into the vibrant street food scene. Osaka's Dotonbori is a feast for the senses, with countless vendors offering delicious and affordable bites. Grab a takoyaki, okonomiyaki, or try the famous kushikatsu skewers. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life by exploring Japan's beautiful parks. Tokyo is home to some incredible green spaces like Yoyogi Park, known for its street performers and relaxed atmosphere, and Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Finally, embrace the simple joys of Japanese culture. Participate in a traditional tea ceremony, learn the art of origami, or try your hand at calligraphy. These experiences are often inexpensive or free, and offer a unique glimpse into Japanese traditions. Your epic Japanese adventure awaits. So, would you try Japan for $50 a day? Let us know in the comments. If this helped, subscribe for more budget travel hacks. We post every week. Sayonara for now.